FileSpecs comes preloaded with common products. When you upload customer artwork, you'll associate it with a product to ensure it's print ready. We'll revisit this menu later. Click the Profiles button on the left. Profiles define the attributes a file needs to meet to be print ready, and FileSpecs comes with a default profile to get you started. Click Edit to customize the profile. Select the PDF standard your printer uses, and FileSpecs will automatically correct files to match it. The output intent defines which ICC color profile the file will be converted to when applying fix-ups. Select the correct option based on your printer's requirements. Set the minimum image resolution to ensure all images meet your standards. If any image falls below this value, FileSpecs will display a warning. You can also specify bleed requirements, including the amount of bleed and whether bleed or crop marks are needed. Next, click Products on the left. To add a new product, click New Product in the top right. Enter the title, dimensions, and the desired profile. Click Show to view product variants. Each product can have multiple variants with different dimensions and associated profiles. For a new variant, click New Variant, add the dimensions, and select a profile. This concludes our Products and Profiles tutorial. Watch our next video to learn how to create a job.